Good Saturday, everybody. Jewel here with Weather Channel J7409. Thanks for clicking play and checking out the weather with me today. Folks, 37 out of 50 states are under some kind of warning. Yesterday it was 65 million people. Today it's over 100 million Americans are currently under winter-related watches, warnings, and advisories, as extensive impacts are going to start to transfer from coast to coast this weekend. Think about this, folks. We'll get back to this map in just a moment. If you are into all weather-related content, please remember to subscribe, click the bell, and make sure you check off all. If you do not check off all, you won't get all my latest videos. We're going to take a look at my future radar through midnight tonight. Now, this is at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, as you can see. Look what's happening in portions of northern North Carolina and a big section of Virginia. As a matter of fact, around Richmond, Virginia, and all those surrounding areas, you guys have an ice storm warning in effect until 5 a.m. tomorrow, Sunday. Ice accumulations, you could get up to 1/2 inch of ice possible, and power outages are very, very, very likely. Now, down in southern New Jersey, you're going to get the ice. Northern New Jersey, you're going to get snow and ice. Some of this is going to go over into Pennsylvania. Down in Texas, this is starting at some point today for you guys. As you can see the timestamp, it's going to move across and go all the way across before it's over. So let's check out and see what the next several days for this weekend should bring. Now, I've got this set for 10 a.m. today. You can see this ice is working its way on up across. Virginia today, please be safe in all of these areas. The ice, the freezing rain, the snow is going to begin in Texas. Once again, this is set for 9 a.m. your time. This is when it should start. And look at the snow in Wisconsin moving across. Illinois. Also, from Seattle to Portland, moving over into Idaho, you're getting a little bit of ice down south too. We'll move up to 1 a.m. tomorrow morning. Look at the ice in northern New Jersey. Freezing rain and sleet moving all the way up into Connecticut. Slacking up some now down for West Virginia and Virginia. 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Snow's coming down into Texas, along with sleet and freezing rain. More freezing rain up in northern New Jersey and possibly looking like right now in New York. 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. 1 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. 4 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. 7 p.m. Tomorrow evening, Sunday evening. Looking like starting out as ice from western Tennessee into portions of Arkansas and northern Louisiana, Texas. Freezing rain also possible in Alabama and portions of Tennessee. 10 p.m. Sunday night. Texas is getting it worse right now with a combination of all of it. Snow, freezing rain, and sleet. 1 a.m. Monday morning. Still got the ice now going on from Kentucky with sleet and freezing rain going down through portions of mid to western Tennessee. A little bit of snow is going to start in western Tennessee and the very western, northwestern sections here. But look at this for Mississippi. Freezing rain and ice also for portions of Louisiana, all the way down into Texas. 4 a.m. Monday morning, 7 a.m. Monday morning, 10 a.m. Monday morning, 1 p.m. You get that break, but look out. It'll slack up a little bit midday Monday, but by 1 p.m. Monday afternoon, this is just awful for people, folks. We got freezing rain, we got sleet. Look in Mississippi, Louisiana, going up into Tennessee. And in the western part of Tennessee, around this time, say around Atoka and all the surrounding areas, it's looking like you guys are going to get 3 to 5 inches of snow. 3 to 5 inches of snow. And by tomorrow morning, say around 8 a.m., your wind chill is going to feel like 0. As we talk about temperatures, we all know that this frigid Arctic air is very dangerous, and the cold wind chills are going to still be in the heartland for the most point. We've got this icy weather that's going to make slick travel in the mid-Atlantic later today, as I've showed you, and a major winter storm. It's going to blanket the west and the plains, and it's looking like heavy snow and significant ice is going to be with it. But then on top of that, if the ice or the snow doesn't get you, the temperatures are going to get you. I hope everyone is prepared. Today is actually the last day for a lot of people, if you haven't already prepared to do so. And I'm not trying to scare everybody. I'm just trying to make sure everybody's aware of what's going on. This is wind chills right in here. You can see a timestamp up here. We're going to click through just a little bit of this for you, and you're going to see how these cold temperatures over the weekend. We're still on today. But look at how as the day goes by, it's going to get colder and colder and colder, my friends. Now we're up to midnight for Sunday. Let's go in Tennessee. This is 6 Fahrenheit, 4 Fahrenheit, 8. I mean, get real. This is cold, people. Look over in Oklahoma, -5, -4. Up in Kansas, -9, 4, 5. This is unreal temperatures. And for our friends that are really up north, bless your hearts. You know, if you look up here, Canada has -47 in this area. We're not too far behind right below them here. And as time marches on, it's just going to get colder and colder. This is Sunday. See what it's looking like over here now. -4 degrees. So, you know, it's going to be here. It's going to stay with us for some time. Throughout the whole weekend, the first part of next week, it's going to be terribly cold. So please make sure you're prepared for it. I'm not going to go into a whole lot of this and a whole lot of that today. You guys see what's going on. Look at all these watches and warnings. Wherever you see this dark gray, up in Montana, moving on down across into parts of Wyoming, moving back up North and South Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa, a large portion of Michigan, some of Kansas, as you can see, moving up into Illinois, and also parts of Wisconsin. You are under a wind chill warning. Everybody that's in these gray areas. A wind chill warning. That's what's going on for you. Now, where you see the lighter blue that goes up to northern Idaho, all the way down across a little bit of Wyoming here, stretching across Nebraska and some of Iowa. It also comes down here into Missouri, Illinois, moving up into Wisconsin, and some of Indiana right in here, and parts of this portion of Missouri in the eastern section. You are under a wind chill advisory. Now, when I say watches and warnings for these wind chills, folks, I mean cold, 0 and below. 0 and below. Now, over here, you see now where I was talking about this section of Virginia. you are under, where you see this dark red, an ice storm warning. We have the pink that goes into central Virginia and a part of the northern Piedmont of North Carolina. This is a winter storm warning. Everybody else in the blue, you are under winter weather advisories. And we have seen, as today marches on, ice will be up into sections of New Jersey. And before this storm is over, it will reach from the south to the north. Keep this in mind. We've got winter storm warnings in Texas, portions of Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Nebraska. Just look at this stuff, folks. It's everywhere. Over in Washington State, over in Oregon. I mean, I could keep on, but I'm not. You see it. You know what you need to do. Now, when we have the areas that look like kind of greenish blue over in Ohio, Indiana, southern Illinois, portions of Kentucky. See where it splits? The line splits right there in Kentucky, moving down into Tennessee and parts of Mississippi, moving right on up. Now, what this is, what you guys have in this area, you are under a winter storm watch, and you will be for the next couple of days. Be aware and stay safe. Please, by all means, stay safe. We have a little of Texas that's in this winter storm watch, not the winter storm warning, right in here. And it moves over into portions of New Mexico, as you can see, right in here. So, folks, stay safe. That's all I can tell you right now. Be aware and stay safe. Now, we do have this dark green over southern Georgia, a little bit of Alabama, and the most of the Florida Panhandle. You guys are under a flood watch. Rain, rain, rain. Rain, rain, rain today, and it's going to move right on up the coast. Everybody in here, we're going to be getting rain, rain, rain. That's a check of what's going on. I can't stress enough, folks, please stay safe. Okay? This is nothing to play with at all. The storm from coast to coast, it's going to start up today big time in certain areas, and it's going to get more intensified as it moves along, at least through Monday, possibly Tuesday morning. Please be aware, and please be safe, and please share this with your family, your friends, and on your social media to help me keep people aware and safe. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, and peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thanks so much for watching.